So, race day. Dito na po ako sa Bicok Reservoir. Ayan, ayan. Nag-prepare kami. Busy. Okay.
Ay, sinagpak ng nguso mo ya. Ismi mo anak ka. Anong rubber band? Ang pula-pula. Para sinambalan ni Monyo ba? Ganire na lang. Ay, nako, na mga mukha.
Pompom eh. Buho ko pompom itself na.
Hindi naman makikita yung pula. Hindi, ano mo, saan yung puti na pula? Kung doon lang makaya, nagtaglaro ng mga... Sama kami rin. Kasi hindi pa na natin sila kasapaglaro ng mga Welcome, it's finally here from registration ng April and back and forth sa mga team managers, and we're here na. We hope you're as excited as we are, and we hope you're ready na. So if we could roll call, that team. Sorry na. Mag-roll call tayo ng team. I want to hand over the mic sa aming President James.
Bawal pa tayo, mainit eh.
Lapit ka maingay.
Yes. Mainit. Yes, good morning po. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Hindi ako magaling sa so nag-prepare na lang ako ng simple message to all of us, for all of us. To all our kababayans here, a pleasant morning to all. Today, as we gather to celebrate the 125th year of Philippine independence and Filipino Dragon Singapore 15th year, we are reminded of the resilience and unity that have defined our nation throughout history. This year's commemoration holds a special significance as we reflect on the past struggles and triumphs and embrace the spirit of camaraderie and community cultivated through sports and dragon boat racing. In the midst of a post-pandemic world, we are fortunate to have the opportunity to unite once more as we celebrate the remarkable milestone of Isang Bangkang Malaya's 10th year. Seeing people gathered here from various origins and backgrounds to honor our Filipino heritage has deeply moved us and motivates us to make a better IDM experience for you with each passing year. With that said, I would like to thank you all for supporting this event and being instruments of solidarity today. As FDS aspires for the continuity of Isang Bangkang Malaya, we envision the years to come to help us everyone achieve greater accomplishments and to continue to pave away the lasting friendships. On behalf of the Filipino Dragon Singapore, I would like to thank you all for taking this challenge and being one with us in our hopes and in celebrating yet another fruitful year in the Dragon Boat community in Singapore. Let's all enjoy this event and have a safe race to all of you. Thank you so much.
Because this is the most important briefing of the day, your safety. Okay? First, who doesn't know how to swim? Raise your hand. Okay, good luck. Don't worry because we have our personal flotation device. Okay? You will be safe by wearing this. Okay? Behind, you can see there's a SDBA logo. So how you're going to wear it is just very simple like a vest. Okay? Then, before you go down, make sure you buckle all the... Buckle all the safety belt. Okay, like this. Okay, how do you know that it's already okay and ready to use? Make sure when you pull it, it will not reach your earlobe. Butas ng tenga. Okay, clear?
Yes!
Second thing, okay, it's very hot later. So you make sure you hydrate, You have a lot of drinks with you later. Third thing, if you have any valuables on your pocket, please don't bring it. Okay, because once it drops on the water, it will ban. Okay, including your specs and your shades. Make sure if you're wearing specs, you can do this. It's not wiggling out, then it's okay. But if it's too loose, better don't. Put inside your pocket. Okay? Fourth thing. Hey, one more, two more. Last two. Always listen to the command of your steers and your drummer. Okay? They will adapt a steer and drummer for you all. So please, especially when you're loading and unloading the boat, pay attention. Okay, lastly, good luck to you all. May the best.
Okay, so now we are going to draw the lots, the boat numbers for the steers and the drummers. So, busy na sila. They're already busy there preparing the boats for you guys. So we're just doing the draw lots for them. So our steers for today, we have 4, Cap Eric, Omar, Clarence, and Kel. So this is for Cap Eric first.
So don't worry guys, all the
Naman po natin ang Team Barangay! Okay, sa harap kami pa. Judges! Cap Jassy! Ay, pahawak naman naman. Doon daw harap sila eh. Dapat doon mo na.
Naka-live. Okay, sure. So guys, live na live tayo sa Fashion Wave, Bedok.
Oh, we're live, ladies and gentlemen!
Live!
This is live sa Facebook! Okay. Ready na?
Oh my goodness. May ganun? Ay, hindi ko na sombrero ko. Go, girls! Mahina internet. Mahina wifi. Kasama pala si
Let's give it up for Barangay!
Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Dragons!
Hey, listen to the instruction properly. Almost 1 o'clock. Oh my gosh, it's drizzling. Uulan na siya. It's drizzling. Saan bang Balangan?
Yun yung dulo.
Oh, sa dulo.
Dulo nga sila.
Ayun, ayun na, nakaposisyon na sila sa last. Sa ano, yun na. Apat ang boat, position na. Kinabahan ako. Position. Nangingitim na yan sa katatrinig. Sunog-sunog na yan. Sunog na. Hold the boat. Oh my God. Yun na.